How to save your login information on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then as you see, when your Instagram is opening, you go down and you open your profile. Then you go to this three line, then click, and then go to settings and click again, then go to security, and then go to saved login information. Then you click and you will find the first option, saved login. You will turn on this option like that, and that's it guys. I hope this video is useful, and half of you, don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. If you have any question, can write it down in comments, and see you next video.